Okay, we are dealing with special right triangles. It is very important that you memorize these two tables. Let's first off work with the 45-45. In a 45-45 90-degree triangle, the two legs of the triangle are congruent, so we'll just call them both legs. Because it's an isosceles right triangle, the hypotenuse is whatever that leg is times root 2. So the hypotenuse equals whatever the leg is times the square root of 2. That is the 45-45 90 table. In the 30-60 90 table, we have what's called the short leg, the hypo, and the long leg. So we start with the short leg. If we take the short leg and simply double it times by 2, not root 2, so 2 times the short leg, that gives us the hypo. The hypo is simply double of the short leg. The long leg is whatever the short leg is times root 3. So the long leg is whatever the short leg is times root 3. Keeping these tables in mind, let's solve. So first off, let's solve for h. H is in the 45-45 90, and 8 is a leg. And we know that the leg times root 2 equals the hypotenuse. And in this case, the leg is 8. So we simply substitute 8 and root 2, and that's going to equal our hypo. So here, h equals 8 root 2. The triangle on the right is a little bit more tricky because this right here, 30, makes D the short leg. And since this is 60, 60 is the medium angle, that makes this 4 the long leg in the 30-60-90 triangle. So I'm going to bring this information over here. We know in our chart that whatever the short leg is times the square root of 3, that equals the long leg. Well, in this case, the long leg is 4. So we have a 4 over here. And our short leg, which we don't know, times root 3 equals 4. So we're going to solve this like an algebra problem. We're going to divide both sides by root 3. That way we can clear. So the next line reads, the short leg equals 4 over root 3. However, we cannot leave a radical in the basement there, in the denominator, so we multiply top and bottom by root 3. And that gives us 4 root 3 over root 3 times root 3 is just 3. We cannot simplify in any way, so this is the short leg. So in this case, our hypotenuse for the first, our h, is going to be 8 root 2, and d is going to be 4 root 3 over 3. So that's going to be 8 root 2. Coming down here, it's 4 root 3 over root 3 over 3.